Sir, we start now. It's 11 o'clock.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Boss will join in between. There's no issue.
Yeah, that's okay. So, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our another webinar series. Today we have the Pride Hotels, the Pride Group of India with us. From the hotel, we have Mr. Amit Sidana. He is the VP of Sales and Marketing.
Hello.
Mr. Atul Upadhyay, he is the Vice President at the Pride Hotels. And we will also be shortly joined by Mr. Satyen Jain, who is the CEO of the Pride Group. Before I start, again, I would like to just announce the winners of Saturday's webinars. So there were 5 winners that we had. That was Mr. Amish Daftari from Prabhav Tours, Mr. Rajesh Dubey from Shubham Tours, Himanshu Mehta from Hem Travel Links, Megha Sharma from Travel Crafters, and Vikas Gupta from Book and Fly. So congratulations to all the winners once again. And I hope they'll be joining us again for more and more webinars. So before starting off, sir, I would just like to play a video of your hotel first, and then we can start off with your PPT.
Sure.
Okay. Attendees, also please make a note. We will be copy pasting the future webinars in the chat box in a few minutes from now. Before we play the video, if some of you all have not registered for our future webinars, you all can do so right now. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see.
Okay, so we'll start. Sir, just give me a minute. Okay, so that was a short video of Pride Hotels and Resorts. Sir, we can start off. Just wanted to know, wanted you to know that we have 466 travel agents on the webinar live right now, and it's growing. It's becoming 470, and we also have a few agents who are from the Philippines also. So you have a global audience today. So over to you.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so very much for taking the time out. I am sure all of you are safe and your families are safe. And we pray for all of you to be safe only. And of course, I do understand it's a tough situation and crisis situation for all of us. But yes, in a good way, that's the best way we able to connect also through the virtual. So we always believe it's just a matter of a time and it's just a phase, nothing else. Nothing is gonna long last for longer time, because once the vaccine gonna come, everything gonna be back to square one. But yes, during this lockdown period, we are getting a lot of new things to explore. It is just, God has given us that kind of indication that I am only the supreme power. No one is bigger than me. And that's where we call as always there is a reset button. So that's a reset button right now. So thank you so very much for taking the time out. I think you enjoyed the video about the Pride Group of Hotels. We are purely Indian company and we value the Indian traditions. MD Mr. SP Jain, who started this dream project way back in 1988, and we started our first hotel from the Pune. And today we have grown up to the 17 operational hotels, and approximately we'll be having 7 more coming up. Which was the plan actually by 2020 only, but unfortunately we will see now how the things will shape up post-COVID. To answer to the PPT, I will take you through now who we are, and I will just show you the product about the 17. It's the same thing only what you've seen in the video, but yes, it will give you the clear one-to-one. I will just run you through. If you have any questions in between, please feel free to connect and I will able to answer you.
Amitji, we'll take the questions at the end once you finish your PPT.
Sure.
And, just one small update. We are house full. We have touched 500. That's our limit for today. So we cannot have any more people.
Congratulations.
Fantastic. In fact, today we will be telling you as well, because people were saying that I was keep talking to travel partners. They were saying, sorry, we don't have anything to do, how to earn money and this and that. We are sitting idle. So in today's presentation, I will show you as well where all of us can make some money in this as well, because that will be the win-win situation for all of us. So firstly, let me take you through the presentation. What do I have? Though it's a lengthy presentation, but I will try to run it as soon as possible. Yeah. So please allow me. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay.
सर ऊपर सर वो ऑप्शन है ना ऊपर 82.9% है. Please make it to 100.
Sorry?
Just make it to 100. No, ऊपर वो 82.9% लिखा है ऊपर.
Sorry. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. So this is our brands. You can see it, who we are. We have total 4 different brands. Under our brands, we have a Pride Plaza, Pride Hotels, Pride Resorts, and Pride Business Hotel. Now, what is Pride Plaza? Pride Plaza is a luxury.
Amit ji, sorry, can you just make it a little smaller? Actually, वो right side में थोड़ा कट रहा है. Sorry.
Okay.
Just make it to 80%. It's okay.
I think that was, we did it actually because, just a second. Is it okay now?
Yeah, sir, better. Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yes.
Okay. So these are our brands: Pride Plaza Hotels, Pride Resorts, and Pride Business Hotel. Pride Plaza is the luxury brands where we have a presence in Delhi and Ahmedabad and Calcutta, which falls under the luxury hotels brands all across. Then we have, of course, Pride Hotels, where we have a presence in Nagpur, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune. And then we have a Pride Resorts, of course, all the resorts like in Goa, Dharamshala, Gangtok, Jaipur, Manali. These are falls under our resorts. And then we have, of course, a medium size, a Price Business Hotel, which is like a 3-star properties, which we have a presence in right now in Vadodara. So these what I discussed with you. So what is our specialty? See, please understand, I'll be keep talking to you in between the presentation because that's very important. All the Pride hotels, there are two major things what we falls under. All the Pride hotels is having under the best to best locations. So you pick up any of the Pride locations, either it will be the close to the airports or it will be the city center hotels. These are the two important things which no one afford to miss out. So you pick up any of the Pride hotels, either it will be the proper city center hotels or it will be on the airport. We are specialized in our MICE, weddings. So this is our presence, as I said, 17 operational hotels you can see in this map of India. So where all we are a presence at this given point of time, and we are increasing day in, day out, which will be, of course, very soon we will be reaching, of course, 25 odd hotels. This is our hospitality philosophy. The thought process, our own are very clear. We need to serve. Major plus point is our food, honestly speaking, because if your stomach is full, your mind works. That's a basic thumb rule. And our kitchen, the specialty, the chefs provide you the best to best delicacies all across. So this is our the one-to-one the products what we do have the Delhi, which is actually I always say is the newborn baby. We are just 3 years old hotel. And this is on the proper AeroCity, the proper luxury hotel, which is having a 385 rooms. It's a upper luxury, I will say, the hotel, which is having a proper events up to almost 7,000 square feet of the hall. What we do have, we have a specialty restaurant apart from the all-day dining restaurants, the F&B, the spa, all those facilities there in the Delhi, the meetings and events. So what 12,000 square feet we do have is the banquet halls and including your pre-functions areas. So you can have the weddings, your pre-launches, each and everything you can plan it and have it here. So this is the weddings. Calcutta, of course, is a 153 room hotel, which is in Rajarhat, a new town. It's very important because this is again a proper business hotel, where we do have all the F&Bs, proper banquets, and this also falls under the plaza community, which is the luxury one.
Amiji, sorry to interrupt, Amiji.
Yeah.
There's a lot of background noise. Can you do something?
From my side, no.
No, there's a lot of background noise from your end. I think your children are playing in the background somewhere.
Okay, just a second. I think the doors are closed. Just a second.
Yeah.
My sincere apology. So that's a side lux of, I can say, work from home. So please bear with me. Yeah. So next we have a Pride Plaza, Ahmedabad. Again, it's properly located in a SG highway, where you can see all the luxury hotels are there in Ahmedabad. So now we have renovated this hotel, and you can see it's on a Judges Bungalow Road, which is having the biggest banquets in the city, I can say. So we have upgraded this product recently, just 2 months back, only in the month of February. We have inaugurated again. So you can see this is the pulse look what we do have. Here you can take weddings, mice, all the kind of events you can consider this. Pride Plaza, Pride Hotel Bangalore, again is a proper city center hotel which is on the Richmond Road. Where do we have a behind the Chancery one and very close to the ITC Gardenia. It's a 4-star hotel with 98 rooms. But there also, again, you have all the facilities of the banquets and meeting facilities. Proper Pride Hotel Pune, which is our first in the group. It's having 112 rooms. And this also has been renovated. It's on a University Road. There you have F&B facilities, Puranda Dhaba, Casablanca. Again, the meetings and events. So you can see all the Pride hotels are well equipped to cater your business, MICE, leisure needs throughout. It's a Chennai. It's in a Periyar. Again, it's a 113 room hotel. Nagpur, it is again we have finished the renovation in month of January. And it's actually, we say it's on the airport. The moment you finish the airport, there's the first hotel you all can see. This is the pictures where you can see there's a brand new room. So meetings, events, weddings, Jaipur. It's on the Tonk Road, 45 villas, what we do have over there. And it's the best for your weddings. Of course, Jaipur, we all know, is known for a wedding location. So you have a huge lush gardens, and we will be adding a rooms here as well. This is the view of one of those Jaipur restaurants. Goa, of course, is in a North Goa. And we are coming out with another hotel which will be close to the Leelas, which is a big hotel. Of course, we are adding there 250 new rooms will be there. Will be new hotel which will be coming up. So Pride Sun Village Resorts and Spa is in North Goa. It's on beach.
Here
again we have added recently
your voice is cracking. 1 second.
A wedding of approximately. Yeah, I can hear you.
So your voice is not clear. It's breaking.
I'm audible now?
Yeah, perfect. Can you just go back to the Goa slide, sir? Goa.
My Wi-Fi is working perfect. Yeah?
Yeah, it is better.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So Goa, we have a Pride Sun Village Resort, which is in the North Goa on a Kalangud beach. Where we
I think, Atulji, can you hear me? I think we've lost Amitji. There's some issue with his Wi-Fi.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay, sir, do you have the PPT? Can we continue with you?
Yeah, just find it. Just hold on a moment.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Sir, Amitji is back. Sorry.
Yeah. There is always seems to be technology in India.
Sir, you have to share your video, share your screen.
Just a second, I am on it. Visible?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we were in Goa. Look like Goa don't want to leave us, so that's why. Okay, so it's a Pride Sun Village Resort in Goa, which is again our Collingwood Beach, where we have 135 rooms. There we've added a new banquet hall, and it's attached to the lawn and the kitchen, so where we can have a grand wedding of 1,500 people as well. So this is the F&B facilities. From there you can see the beautiful view. McLaren Dharamshala, this is the resort where we have 53 rooms. You can say it's very close to the proper Dalai Lama temple. A very scenic, a proper leisure destination. This is the F&B facilities over there. Vadodara is on the station road, and it's very close to the. A lot of people come and stay here who want to visit to the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So 73 rooms what we do have over there, and it falls over in our Biznotel, which is a 3-star hotel category. The meeting rooms over there, we have 5 different kind of meeting rooms. Puri, of course, the Jagannath temple, the most famous one of the Char. There we have the F&B facilities over there, the Swad restaurant and the food court, which is again, of course, is a pure vegetarian. Meetings and facilities over there. We have 3 conference halls over there. Manali, again a beautiful leisure destination. 47 rooms are there, including 12 2-bedroom cottages. F&B facilities, meetings and all those things. Almost 2,200 square feet banquet space what we do have there to cater all kind of leisure, holidays, MICE, incentives, weddings. Pride Hotel and Convention Center Indore, one of the biggest convention center. The 73 rooms are there, and it's on a bypass. The F&B facilities, we have 10,000 square feet of the pre-function and 4,500, sorry, the total size of the convention center. It's a massive. Of course, you can do exhibitions, weddings, MICE, events, whatever you feel like. So that's a PPT what I do have from my side.
Thank you, Amitji. I'll just put up a few questions for. Sir, can you stop sharing your screen so I can put up the questions?
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah. Okay, so hello everyone. We'll have to. I will be putting up a few questions as the contest once again. Please remember we have a few prizes to be won in terms of complimentary nights. The questions will be on your screen right now. So the first question is: in which city did Pride open their first hotel? So, again, a lot of people are answering the correct answer. The correct answer is Pune. 85% of the people have answered the correct answer. Amitji, in fact, this is a test for you also. It just shows how clear you have been in your PPT.
That's what I was telling them also. I was giving a hint as well in between.
The second question is on your screen right now. How many operational hotels does Pride currently have?
A lot of people have done a good hard work actually. I really appreciate it.
I think a lot of people have done some kind of an R&D on Pride hotels and they've come today. Again, 82% of the people have given the correct answer. It's 17 hotels that are operational as of today. The third question, let's see if people can answer this. Name the CEO of the Pride Group of Hotels. Yeah, and a lot of people again have given the correct answer. It is Mr. Satyen Jain. We are waiting for him to join this webinar with us. So, Amitji, if you can just give the other PPT that you have of the other services.
Rishabh, for your information, you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Atulji.
Yeah, for your information, there was some problem with the link, so he couldn't able to join, but he is hearing our webinar. He joined as one of the participant.
He's joined as a participant. Okay.
Yeah, he's already there on online.
I'll just okay. I can't see him. Anyways, if Satyanji, if you can hear me, thank you, and thank you for coming for our webinar today.
Okay, there's another PPT which I want to run it. Shall I start?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so now just I want to inform everyone that this PPT is, as I rightly mentioned, because see the COVID, whatever the damage is doing it, and it stopped everything. But let's not, look at that point currently, the problems what we are facing it. Right now also we need to find out what we can do in this scenario. So if you will see, people, the big to big brands like the perfume companies and the Hugo Boss, Louis Vuitton, they are not the major companies for any kind of sanitizers, but they all are producing sanitizers and all the different products. So in this given span of time, we also thought what we can do for our company, for our partners, for our clients, who will keep us intact in the business. So that's what we thought, okay, let's do some brainstorming, and we came out with a solution which is working out very, very, very perfectly, and through our travel partners only, because again, this is also incentivized. We are helping each other to get some generation of some kind of a business. So I'll just run through very small PPT. Yeah, so this is the new products and services what we do have right now, which we are offering. So this is one is the facility management, because see, honestly speaking, there's hardly any difference between the hotels and the facility management. So we have started doing this servicing because a lot of banks, IT companies, whosoever is operational right now, we are providing them these facilities, starting from the security, F&B, engineering, housekeeping, each and everything. We have taken that as a project, and we are providing them this extra facility. So if you have any sort of feedback or any kind of leads you can provide us, we will give them a presentation, and we will convert for you, definitely. And definitely it will be again an incentive based program, as I said, and we will be able to make this happen. So this is what we offer in the facilities. Each and everything is what exactly the clients require. Air conditioning, decoration, lift and escalator maintenance, M&E plant, fire safety, plumbing, drainage, all those things related to. In fact, we recently picked up one of the IT companies in Bangalore, where we are giving them a facility management. We have taken over their kitchen as well, because of course they are operational with a 50% of the staff. So we are providing them F&B as well. So this is one of the products. Virtual sessions, of course, what we are doing right now, everything is a virtual, and the world is heading towards the virtual. So in that also, we have made a lot of sessions, like we are doing virtual parties. So today night, we are hosting a one DJ party. The DJ will be playing from Ahmedabad, but it will be, of course, all over India. We have requested people, if they love to join, please join with us, because people are just getting it done, and we are servicing them a food. Whosoever is also ordering the food, we are going and delivering the food, and DJ is playing. It's a virtual party. We are doing the gym sessions, training and learning, cooking, everything we are doing it virtually. Gym sessions, parties, training and learning development. We will be sharing this brochure with, of course, Classic, and in return they will mail you across what all the products what we do have. If you have any leads, please let us know. And we can do the tailor-made as well. Any training you require, any learning, any cooking specialties, definitely we can work it out. This is a very important tool right now what we are working on, the corporate spaces, because a lot of people right now are taking this spaces in our hotels. The senior citizens who are not safe, they don't feel safe going to the office, who are like 50 plus. So they are taking the rooms with us in like suite rooms and work like an office. So as in co-working spaces and corporate office, if you have any requirement of your client, we will love to be partnered with you and offer them these services. In this, you will be getting a proper 3 meals. It's like a proper office. You don't have to be bothered about anything. All the services will be provided under this parameter. So like studio office, desk with a view, meeting suites, and co-working space. And yes, as I already mentioned, we are taking care of each and every parameter related to the social distancing. Each and everything, all our hotels, each and everything are well equipped with all kind of social distancing and the guidelines which has been done by the WHO. You can go to our website and take a letter of the 19 March 2020, which will tell you what exactly the SOPs and everything we are following up over there. So work from pride, as I rightly mentioned, in this you have a room stay, all 3 meals, high-speed internet, is a proper working station, like your WeWork, Regus and all those things. All the IT supports, everything, high-end internet, everything will be provided to you. Of course, food delivery. These are the precaution measures what we are taking it. I have one small video for that. I think for 1 minute, I will show you that as well, because we believe, our company believe, the staff comes first, because our staff has to be neat, clean, healthy and all those things, so that we can give level best to our customers. So once they get inside, there is a temperature check, they follow all the sanitizations process, what needs to be done. So this is the most important, one of those most crucial, what we are doing it, we are doing the sanitizations all across. So if you have any leads, whosoever want to get a sanitizations done, we are doing every day more than 30 to 40 sites right now on a sanitization basis. Maybe it's a bank, corporate IT, anything. You just need to pass it on the lead and you will be incentivized for that. Of course, there's a commissions involved. So which we will definitely love to share with you. And
Amit, give you one example. Suppose the area is around, apart from the sanitization, we will do the deep cleaning also. And suppose the area is 1 lakh square feet and the billing is around 5 to 6 lakh rupees, right? And then everybody will get whoever is giving us the lead, they will be getting a commission from there.
Exactly. So as I rightly mentioned, all the products what we're using is a Johnson Diversey, which is of course the global brand. And we are using for the disinfection, the use of a ultra low volume treatment is done. So we are doing the deep cleaning, we are doing the floor deep cleaning, shampooing, vacuuming, each and everything which gives you the feel good factor that yes, you are getting into the safe premises. These are the products what we're using it right now.
Today also there is a deep cleaning and the sanitization is going on in TCS, Urban Mills and some of the banks, Corporation Bank, then in I think UBI, so many places is going on.
Because see, as I rightly mentioned, our company believes in present. Of course, see, COVID should not stop us for doing our own business, right? Yes, our own business maybe is on a halt, but it cannot put us on a back seat. We will bounce back and we will bounce back more stronger. It's just a matter of time, correct? So in the meantime, we have to run the show. So what all we can do? These are the best things. What are the facilities we can provide? So this is the ultra low volume process. How do we follow? Of course, the laundry service is what we are providing it. If someone is interested, we have a holiday bonds where you can invest definitely 30%, you will be saving it directly. So it's just a 10,000 rupees bond where you'll be getting a facilities of 13,000 worth. And then we have a lot of options available where you can just book a very minimal amount and book it for the any events for far off dates, for MICE, weddings, incentive programs, anything. Let's be very clear, because see, no one gonna go international at this given point of time, right? So all the business, what we'll be doing, it will be within the domestic parameters, be it business, be it leisure, or be whatever. Recently, we also attended one of the training from the Netherlands, and trust me, the lady who took the training, she said in the Switzerland, they opened the hotels and all the hotels next day was full. They were shocked because these were the local people who were bored sitting at home and they did nothing. They just opted for a staycation. You know, so that might be the thing. We all are thinking right now, ki, I don't know how the situation will be after COVID. So you never know how the things will open up. Yeah, so this is what the facilities, what we're using it at this given point of time. So this is the products where all of us can help us out. And if you have any leads or something like that, we'll be love to share the incentives with you.
Thank you, Amitji. Super presentation, and you're absolutely right. Just because Corona has halted our primary business, it doesn't mean that we cannot work in different verticals of life. So we have a few questions. I have the last two questions to be asked to all the attendees, and then we'll go on to the question answer round. So the fourth question for today is as on your screen. How many brands does the Pride Group have? Again, I think most of you all have given the correct answer. The Pride Group has four brands. The last question for today. Sorry, it's the wrong question. I'll just reframe the question. It's how many cities is the Pride Hotels coming up in the future?
I was expecting this. The graph will go like this only. Though I rightly mentioned, and it is there on the website as well.
But I think we still have a semi-clear winner. It is. Amitji, can you just repeat the answer once again for everybody to know?
So it's a 6 right now, which is reflecting on our website.
Okay, so there are 6 places where the Pride Hotels are coming up with their hotels in the near future. So I'll just ask you and Atulji a few questions that the guests are asking to us.
Sure.
Atulji, if you can answer this, Jinesh.
Some of them I'm already answered in Q&A, and you can ask me. I will reply all the questions.
Yes, there are not many, so we can still take them.
Sure. And I think we should share the presentation with all the parties.
I will do that, sir. I will. There is an automatic email that goes to all the people who come in today. It goes to them one day after the webinar.
Okay.
So the question, the first question is from Jinesh Bansali. He's asking, does the Pride Group of Hotel not allow people with a local ID? He gives an example. His guest was denied entry in the Kolkata hotel because he was from Kolkata itself. So does it mean that that Pride does not allow the people who stay in the same city to come to the hotel?
See, security reasons, we don't allow any meeting in the rooms, right? But they can definitely will meet them in, there is no restriction. They can meet them in the restaurant, they can meet them in bar, and they can meet at the poolside also.
Okay.
Especially if it is a lady guest.
Okay.
This is for the security of the guest, nothing else.
Okay. Yeah, of course, the guest actually.
And so Vineet Kotecha is asking regarding your facility management. Is it there? Is the facility there in all your hotels, or is the sanitization done in all your hotels, or only a few metro hotels?
No, no, all, everywhere we are doing it, and the facility management also we are providing it in the major metros, of course. Where do we have a hotel like Delhi, Bangalore, Calcutta, Pune, Chennai? You let us know, and then of course we can take care.
Okay.
Anybody have any query, they can write to us. We will definitely, our team will definitely will do it.
Great, sir. Another question, just give me a minute. So, Atulji, if you can just give a gist of what a lot of people are asking here is, I'll take a simpler question first. Mr. Palani Swami is asking, after the COVID, is Pride ready to tackle the post-COVID era? And number two, another question that he has asked is, do you allow double and triple occupancy in the base categories?
We have a double room, we have a twin bedded room, definitely. But if it is there from the same family, definitely we'll allow. But double occupancy rooms is there. We provide the extra bed also, right? Regarding the COVID, we are following all the guidelines of FSSAI and the WHO, right? So all the precautions we are taking, I think it was there in Amit's presentation also, what precautions we are taking. However, if somebody have any doubt, we have a very good presentation, what step we are taking, right? That presentation can be shared if you can just forward me the email ID.
Okay. Sir, another question is, once the hotels open up, once the lockdown is lifted, will there be any special deals that Pride will come out with? And will there be any kind of a relaxation in the cancellation policy?
See, I'll tell you one thing. I really don't know, because globally also, if you will see, let's not cut a price, because see, price is not a something which we will be any given point of time looking for. I'm very open and let me be vocal. Because see, what we have to deliver much better now, keeping in mind the social distancing and each and every parameter. Right, there is no buffet at all now, because the buffet times have gone at least for another, I can say, 7 to 8 months till the time we don't get a proper vaccine. We also have to ensure that there is a 3 feet of distance. We have to keep it. There will be only a la carte, or there will be fixed stations where people will be going and picking up, keeping in mind social distancing. So we are not here to do any kind of a price and all those things. Yes, at right now, given point of time, there is a lot of offers going on the website. You can pick it up. There is of course, I can say the Pride isolation, what we have is going on. The Pride Escape, what we do have. Premium Pride, premium pampering, what we do going on. Work from Pride, save now, pay later. Save now, vacations later, book now for 2 nights. So almost 7 to 8 offers are live right now. You can choose from the bouquet.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I think most of the people have asked a similar question regarding the COVID and what the pricing is going to be. So one thing, I think you've not touched upon this point is, will we see a relaxed cancellation policy? I mean,
yes, we do have a different cancellation policy. First of all, if suppose because of this lockdown or any issue, suppose your function is got cancelled or extended, you can book for another date. There will not be any cancellation charges is there. So the cancellation policy is there, and that is there on the website. So anybody, if you want to see, they can just log into www.pridehotel.com, and there the cancellation policy is written, the amended cancellation policy.
See, the thought process is very clearly, let me be honest with you, we are because of you people only. We need a support from you people, and end of the day, till the time you will not support us, we will not able to deliver it, honestly speaking. So it has to be win-win situation for you and me, for both of us. And I cannot draw a line ki, sorry, this is the way it's going to happen. I have to go as per the client's requirement, which you will be guiding us ki, sir, let's do like this, which will be beneficial for both of us. End of the day, we are into business and we have to set up the trends accordingly.
Right, sir. Very, very rightly said. So a lot of people have questions about the facility management service. What I will do is the PPT that I'm going to send you will have the contact numbers of the hotel. So you can contact them directly. And I think we've come to an end to this question answer round. Thank you, Amitji. Thank you,
I'm
Atulji, for this.
showing one more video of about the hygiene part. So if you allow me, it's just 2 minutes video,
Yeah,
please.
sure.
Just a second. I need to drag that video. Just a second.
Before that, again, to all our attendees, we are posting the future webinars links on the chat again right now. If anybody has missed out or anybody has joined us late, you all can click on the links and register for those webinars. Just to name a few, we have the Tree of Life resorts coming in tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, we have the Fortune Hotels, the Fortune Group. On Thursday, we have the Marriott Goa hotels, 4 hotels of Marriott in Goa. Friday, we are still speaking to Marriott for Friday. And on Saturday, we will be having the Atmantan Wellness Resort coming in on our webinars. So just register on the links, whatever you feel necessary.
Rishabh, just give me 1 minute, okay? Just 1 minute. I'll just try to see if I can play this.
So if there's an issue in playing, you can just send me the link of the video and I'll send it on email also.
A second, it's there.
Yeah.
I hope it's the same one. Is it visible? Yeah. So I think that's very much clear because we care for our staff so that they can care for you. You know, because for that is very important. They should be perfect so that they will make sure that our guest is also getting into the same zone of perfection.
Yes, very right, sir. Thank you, Amitji. Thank you, Atulji, for this amazing webinar today. And I look forward to seeing you in our office very, very soon with us.
Yeah, definitely. We'll be definitely there. And thanks to all the participants. Thank you very much for joining us.
We all need your support, and please, it's a trust factor what we all deal with it. You just give us a chance to support you and serve you, and we'll ensure that we will give our level best. And in this scenario also, again, it's all the PPTs I've shown, it's all our incentive driven PPTs. Do support us so that together we can support each other at all given point of time. So looking forward for a lot of business from your side. Thank you so very much for your times and patience. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, sir. Good night. Goodbye. Sorry, goodbye.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.